Namaste. Welcome to the video series on understanding peace. In this series, we will see the history of peace studies. The history of peace studies as an academic discipline is relatively recent, but rooted in millennia old traditions of human thought and philosophical inquiry. The study of peace traces its origin to ancient civilization and religious traditions, where the ideals of nonviolence, harmony, and justice were central to moral and ethical teachings, ancient and philosophical roots. The foundation of peace thinking can be found in various cultures, such as in Indian philosophy, where the concepts of ahimsa, nonviolence, and shanti, peace, were integral to the teachings of Hinduism, Jainism, and Buddhism. Similarly, in ancient Greece, philosophers like Plato and Aristotle discussed justice and harmony in their political and ethical works. The Roman concept of Pax Romana was the early attempt to maintain process across a vast empire through governance and law. Religious figures like Jesus Christ, Gautam the Buddha, and Prophet Muhammad also emphasized peace in their spiritual teachings, advancing compassion, love, and nonviolence as pathways to a harmonious society. In ancient China, Confucius emphasized the importance of social harmony, and Taoist philosophy encouraged balance and simplicity as means to maintain inner and outer peace. Now, let's talk about modern peace movements. In the modern era, the intellectual roots of peace studies can be traced to the 19th and early 20th centuries. The pacifist movements that emerged during this period, particularly after the horrors of World War I, encouraged the academic inquiry to peace as a social, political, and ethical issue. Prominent figures like Leo Tolstoy, Mahatma Gandhi, and Bertrand Russell contributed to early discussions of nonviolence, disarmament, and the moral underpinnings of peace. The formation of organizations like League of Nations after World War I and later the United Nations after World War II marked a formal international commitment to conflict resolution, collective security, and peace building. This period saw an increase in international peace efforts and inspired intellectuals to systematize the study of peace. Now let's talk about emergence of peace studies as an academic discipline. Peace studies formerly emerged as an academic field in mid-20th century. In 1948, Norway's Professor Johan Galtung, often regarded as the father of modern peace studies, founded the Peace Research Institute Oslo, PRIO, which laid the foundation for the systematic study of peace and conflict. Professor Galtung's work on positive and negative peace, structural violence, and peace building had a profound influence on this field. During the Cold War, as nuclear weapons and risk of global conflict increased, universities in Europe and United States started offering peace studies programs. These programs aimed to understand the causes of war, violence, explore ways to resolve conflict, and promote lasting peace through social justice, human rights, and diplomacy. Now let's talk about evolution of peace studies. Since its inception, peace studies has expanded to encompass various interdisciplinary approaches including political science, sociology, philosophy, economics. Today, it addresses a wide array of topics such as human rights, environmental sustainability, conflict transformation, non-violent resistance, and gendered perspectives on peace. Peace studies has also become increasingly global, with institutions across Africa, Asia, Latin America contributing to the discourses. The shift from focusing solely on the absence of war, that is negative peace, to promoting conditions that fosters equality, justice, and human flourishing, that is positive peace, reflects the broader development of the field. Now, let's talk about contemporary peace studies. In contemporary times, peace studies continue to evolve in response to global challenges such as terrorism, climate change, human displacement, and social inequalities. The field emphasizes the interconnectedness of peace with sustainable development, environmental protection, and global governance. The United Nations Sustainable Development Goal, that is SDG 16, which is peace, justice, and strong institutions, amplifies the growing recognition of peace as an integral aspect of global progress. Moreover, peace studies now heavily focus on inclusive peace building, emphasizing the roles of women, youth, and marginalized communities in creating peaceful societies. These efforts are reflected in frameworks like Women, Peace and Security (WPS) and Youth, Peace and Security (YPS) agencies or agendas. While peace studies became an academic field in the mid 20th century, focusing on visible conflicts and wars, Indian culture, tradition, and philosophy have long offered deeper root level solutions. While much of the world approaches peace primarily from anthropological perspectives, focusing on human behavior, societal structure, and cultural contexts, Indian culture offers a unique cosmological perspective. This view sees peace not only as a social construct but as an integral part of the universe, deeply connected to the balance of nature, spiritually, and the interconnectedness of all life. Understanding peace through this cosmological lens is essential as it encourages a more holistic approach that considers both external factors and inner harmony, recognizing the profound relationship between humanity and cosmos that can lead to sustainable solutions for conflicts and promote a deeper sense of unity. My book, Understanding Peace, is an effort to bridge these two perspectives, highlighting the necessity of integrate Indian philosophical insights with contemporary peace studies. By doing, we aim to enrich the dialogue on peace, offering comprehensive strategies for achieving harmony in both individual lives and global societies. The history of peace studies demonstrates the enduring human aspiration for a peaceful world, shaped by diverse traditions, movements, and intellectual inquiries. From ancient philosophical roots to contemporary interdisciplinary approaches, peace studies has developed into a comprehensive field that seeks not just to understand and prevent conflict, but also to build systems that promote justice, inquiry, and sustainable peace for all. Thank you. Keep watching.
Let's rise, let's take a stand. Peace and joy go hand in hand. With love so strong, with faith so deep. Let's understand peace with Dr. Sandy. Let's understand peace with Dr. Sandy. A wisdom so strong, a vision so deep. Not just a dream, but a way to live. A heart that learns, a soul that gives.